Welcome to my channel. This is another one of my Sunday dinner recipes, and today we're cooking lamb chops. The ingredients for this recipe will be Worcestershire sauce, Shire, however you pronounce it. The blend seasoning, one of my favorites, newly. Fajita seasoning, gives it a little kick to it. Should try that. Garlic and herb butter, also one of my favorites, go-to. Garlic fresh, 3 cloves to be exact. And some grapeseed oil. Some fresh thyme. And of course, the star of the show, lamb chops. Next, you want to combine the seasonings. It's just easier to put it out that way. So I put in the fajita seasoning and the blend seasoning. And I give it a little stir and shake it to get it all blend together nicely. It should look like this. Now I want to chop up the garlic. I use 3 cloves for this recipe. Gotta dig them out. I used to use minced garlic, but it's just better with fresh garlic. Chop it up. Now we good to go. Now we prepping up the lamb chops. I get me a mixing bowl. I like stainless steel. Go ahead and put my lamb chops in. You can also use this recipe for like a little appetizer, depending on how fancy you want to be with your meal, but this was a little dinner. So first, I want to give it a little bit of oil. That's just like my base for bonding it. I give it a nice little massage, nice little coating. And then I go ahead and drop in a little bit of the seasoning that I mix together, and I give it a nice little rub. It's like the first base, but you are using all of the seasoning. And once I mix it in, rub it in, I give it a little bit more. And then I rub it all in again, and so. Make sure it should be nice and tender. When you rub it in, it should look like this.
Nice.
Now, you know, if it don't look like this, or if you season your meat and it don't look like it's seasoning, that's how exactly it's going to taste. Like it's not seasoned at all. So you can see it like this, so you can see all of them are completely covered with seasoning. Yeah, that looks good. Almost forgot.
Uh-oh.
You want to put in the Worcestershire sauce, or Worcestershire, however you pronounce that crazy word. Again, you pour it in, and you also massage this in, give it a nice little rub. And it should look like this. Now that looks seasoned.
Nice.
You see that? Awesome. Matter of fact, let's look at all of them. Yeah. You see it? Now you know that's going to come out nice and perfect. Completely covered, completely seasoned. Now it's time to go to work. Yes. Let's cook. Alright, you know how I do. First I put the garlic and herb butter. I baste the bottom of the pan. Pan should be medium, a little bit above medium, but medium is fine for this. Give it a little bit of that grapeseed oil just to give it a nice little blend in with the garlic and herb butter. See how it's nice and bubbling like that. You want to put in the fresh garlic. You want to give it a nice little mix, get it infused with the oil and the garlic and herb butter. Give it a nice little coating, and it's going to be easy to baste. Then you go ahead and lay your lamb chops down and let them breathe in the pan. Lay them down like so. And then you got to put all of your little seasoning that was in there. You don't want to waste none of it, so get it all in there. Put the thyme in. Cover it up. And you want to let it cook for 3 minutes total, but I do 2 minutes first. After 2 minutes of cooking, uncover it. You should have a nice aroma. But after 2 minutes, I go ahead, I uncover it, baste it a little bit with the garlic and herb butter and the oil that's at the bottom of the pan mixed in with the thyme, and just go ahead and just baste the top part of the lamb chop like this. I want to show this process so you can see this is how you do it. If you wanted to come out flavorful and tasty, this is how you season your lamb chops well. And then for that last minute, I cover it back up and I let it cook. Now that's 3 minutes total on one side. It come out like this, looking good, smelling good. And then now you flip it over. You see how that nice sear on the pan is? And I rub it in the bottom of the pan and get all the juices soaked up in it. Nice.
Yum, 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 yum.
I needed to look good, so yeah, I needed to flip it over.
Yum, 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 yum.
Get everything all even in the pan and swirling around so it can marinate with the juices. And then I put 2 more pieces of garlic and herb butter in there. And I let this side cook for 2 minutes. Again, after 2 minutes, flip it like this. Same process as the other side. Get the juices in there, you baste it. Each one, get that love. Trust me, this is an amazing recipe and it should smell amazing. Try this, you'll definitely add this on your weekly regimen. It won't just be a Sunday dinner. So once I get everything all based nice and neat, I go ahead and let it cook for an additional minute. So that's 3 minutes on both sides. So this is a 6-minute cook up. All right, and after that additional minute, there you go. Lamb chop. Tasty and excellent and very flavorful. How that look. Can't get no better than that.
Delicious.
Try this at home. Let me know how you like it. Gotta hit it with the money shots.